Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be sorting my life out for 2023. Yeah. So I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope the 2023 is going well. So today I will really be deep cleaning my room because trust me, my room needs cleaning. My bed is sorted out. I'm just going to be focused on sorting out my drawers and like my bookshelf because my drawers is just a mess and I need to sort out my clothes and everything, so you guys actually do that basically. Okay, so first I'm gonna wipe down my chest drawer and my, what do you even call this? I don't know what you call this, guys, but I'm gonna wipe it down because it's a bit dusty, and then we'll get to sorting out my drawers. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now that I finished organizing my chest drawer and whatever this is called, I am now going to go on to this. This is there's a lot going on right here and we're gonna fix it. Okay? Okay. Guys, look how much David Williams books I have. Jeez Louise. I mean, they're really good children books. So if you want to buy books for your children, definitely buy David Williams. So yeah, let's pack these now. Okay guys, I am now finished organizing the top of my chest drawer, my bookshelf, and both of my bedside tables. So now I need to organize the drawers, and trust me, it's really messy in each and every drawer. Am I excited to do that? No. Do I really want to do that? No. But does it need to be done? Yes. So we have to do it. I found this in one of my jewelry boxes and I decided to put it on because who doesn't love Hello Kitty? Like, anyways, so yeah, let's just start that. Okay guys, so I organized my pajamas. So my pajamas are going to go in the first drawer. So first we have all my night dresses. Then I have my tops that are like shorts that goes with shorts. Then I have like my long sleeve bottoms that don't have the top with it. And then my other matches pajamas. And then I have my vest here, which also goes on the top with it. And the other ones need to go in other drawers. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am now finished organizing all my drawers. I have nothing else to do. But now the last thing I need to do is hoover my floor. It's quite dusty in some corners and there's just loads of stuff on the floor and I just need to hoover it, especially my carpets as well because those are starting to get dirty. So yeah. Okay guys, my room is finally now done. I definitely put as one of my New Year's resolution is that to be more tidy because I admit I'm a very lazy person and I would say that I'm not tidy at all. So I definitely want to be more tidy and more productive this year. And yeah, so now that I'm finished, this is going to be the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be trying to post more. Hopefully we can make it to 100 subscribers soon. Like, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. We can make it. We can make it. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.